AATCC's RA63 committee continues to work toward consensus on other new test methods to add to the current battery of moisture management tests. Most new test methods evolve from laboratory procedures created by research and development efforts within companies trying to differentiate the performance of new products from their competitors' products. The Kling test is an example of a lab procedure that was created to measure another attribute of moisture management. The Kling test procedure was developed by Cotton Incorporated's research and product development staff. Most people who engage in mild to moderate exercise, gardening, or outdoor activities prefer to wear 100% cotton knit t-shirts. Cotton is a highly hydrophilic or absorbent fiber. You may have noticed that when a cotton top absorbs sweat, it becomes so heavy that the fabric lies against the skin, clinging as it becomes saturated. Absorbing sweat is a good attribute, except when the fabric absorbs so much sweat that it clings to the skin, causing that cold, clammy feeling. The Cotton Incorporated Kling test procedure determines the force required to drag a fabric specimen that has been dampened with distilled water across a plexiglass platform. The technique is a variation on what is called a sled test, which measures fabric friction resistance. The test procedure calls for the use of a constant rate of extension tensile machine, a 14 by 14.5 inch by 0.25 inch thick plexiglass plate attached to a wooden platform, a clamp holder, and a pulley system attached to the platform by a 1/16 inch diameter steel cable attached to the tensile tester's upper clamp holder, and a calibrated pipette. A fabric specimen, 6 by 6 inches, is placed with the back or wrong side of the fabric, the inside of a garment, on the plexiglass plate. The plastic 6-inch clamp attached to the pulley device is placed on one edge of the specimen. 1 milliliter of distilled water is applied in a single puddle on the fabric and allowed to absorb for 1 minute. The tensile tester is set at 150 millimeters per minute rate of speed. The tensile tester will record the force in grams that it takes to pull the wetted fabric along 2.5 inches of the plexiglass surface. 3 specimens in the length and width directions are measured after being conditioned in standard atmospheres for testing. The test procedure is best used to judge the differences in force between a treated versus an untreated counterpart, rather than as a performance criterion.